Here's a detailed, approximately 3,000-word English script about a 2025 Infinix Mobile in blue color. It focuses on style, features, and performance, without narrator labels or headings, and written as one long continuous piece. In the ever-evolving world of smartphones, Infinix has consistently managed to surprise tech enthusiasts and mobile users alike with their innovative designs, bold choices, and user-friendly features. As 2025 begins to unfold, Infinix has once again stepped into the spotlight with a stunning addition to its lineup, a brand new device dressed in an eye-catching blue color that doesn't just make a visual statement, but also symbolizes the leap the company has taken in terms of both design and technology. This latest Infinix smartphone is more than just a phone. It is a masterpiece of form and function, created to cater to the needs of a modern, stylish, and connected generation. The first thing that captures attention is undoubtedly the phone's captivating blue hue. This isn't just any blue. It's a deep, rich, and vibrant tone that dances under the light with every movement. Depending on the angle, the blue color shifts subtly between shades of ocean, sapphire, and midnight sky, making the device not just a phone, but a fashion accessory. It's the kind of color that speaks to confidence, youthfulness, and individuality. Unlike the usual black or silver phones that dominate the market, the Infinix Blue variant instantly stands out, effortlessly catching eyes whether placed on a cafe table or held during a call. Infinix has clearly paid attention to what the younger generation craves, something that not only performs but also complements their lifestyle. But this smartphone is not just about looks. Underneath its beautifully crafted body lies a powerful engine designed to handle the demands of 2025 users. The phone features a next-generation MediaTek processor that ensures lightning-fast performance. Whether it's gaming, multitasking, or switching between heavy applications, the processor delivers seamless performance without hiccups. Complementing the chip is a generous helping of RAM, up to 12 GB, ensuring that lag is a thing of the past. Apps open instantly, graphics render smoothly, and everything feels incredibly responsive. It's a phone built for those who refuse to slow down. Storage-wise, Infinix has taken care of digital hoarders by offering 256 GB of internal memory. From high-resolution photos to long 4K videos, from massive games to countless apps, the phone has enough space to accommodate it all without needing to worry about micro SD cards. And for those who still crave more, Infinix provides expandable storage options, pushing the flexibility even further. The display is another area where this Infinix smartphone truly shines, quite literally. The 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen is a delight for the senses. Colors are rich and punchy, blacks are deep and immersive, and brightness levels are more than sufficient to combat the harshest sunlight. Whether you're watching your favorite series, editing photos, scrolling through social media, or just reading an article, every visual appears crisp and vivid. With a refresh rate of 120 Hz, scrolling and animations feel fluid, and gamers will appreciate the smooth responsiveness. The bezels are minimal, allowing for an almost edge-to-edge experience that draws you into the content, making every interaction feel premium and futuristic. Battery life has always been a critical aspect of mobile phones, and here too, Infinix does not disappoint. With a massive 5,000 mAh battery, users can go an entire day, and often more, without needing to reach for a charger. Whether it's watching videos, attending online meetings, or engaging in extended gaming sessions, the battery handles it all with ease. And when it's time to recharge, the device supports ultra-fast 68W charging, capable of going from 0 to 80% in just 30 minutes. That's the kind of power and speed that modern life demands, and Infinix delivers it without compromise. Photography enthusiasts will find a lot to love in this blue marvel. The rear camera setup boasts a 108 megapixels main sensor, accompanied by a wide-angle lens and a macro lens for versatile shooting scenarios. Whether capturing sweeping landscapes, intricate close-ups, or stunning portraits, the camera produces sharp, vibrant, and detail-rich images. Night photography has also seen a significant boost thanks to improved AI processing and larger sensors that pull in more light. Low-light shots are clearer, with less noise and better color accuracy. On the front, a 32-megapixel selfie camera ensures that every self-shot photo and video call looks flattering, whether it's a casual snap or a TikTok shoot. Infinix has also included multiple AI-powered photography modes, giving users more creative control than ever before. One of the most underrated features of this new Infinix phone is its sound. With dual stereo speakers tuned by DTS Audio, the phone offers rich and immersive audio whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or gaming. The clarity of sound, the punch of the bass, and the overall loudness level are all noticeably superior to what one usually expects in this price category.